So I'll be showing you how to check your Nintendo Switch games for corrupted data. So if you have a game that's not starting or is not working properly or as you expect it to, then you can actually check it for corrupted data. So just go to settings, or rather system settings, and then go to data management. Under data management, go to manage software, select that, and then go to any game. So let's say, for instance, you want to check for this game, select it, and then from the menu, scroll down and select check for corrupt data and select that. Now it says this might take a few minutes, so just be patient and allow your console to check for corrupted data on that particular game. So when it's done, it will tell you if it was fine. If it was not, you can try to re-download the game. But since mine has no corrupted data, you can just tap on done and go back to the home page. Thanks for watching and good luck.